We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website by entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the page, you'll see a button that says Login or Sign Up at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your email and password. If you're new, click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. You'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your questions or messages. Simply type what you'd like to know or discuss and hit Enter on your keyboard. ChatGPT will generate a response that appears in the chat window. You can continue the conversation by typing more questions or follow-up queries. If you need to adjust settings, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, at the bottom or top of the page. Here you can customize certain preferences like response length or tone. To access past conversations or manage your account, click on your profile icon, which might be represented by your initials or a default avatar. This is typically located in the top right corner. From here, you can navigate through options like account settings and conversation history. If you encounter any issues or need help, there's usually a help or support section available, either as a link on the page or under your account menu. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.